Hey everyone, welcome back in. Talking again about cold temperatures for one more night, it looks like. Tomorrow night, a little chilly, but not as bad as it has been. And then after that, we're looking at definitely a warming trend. We'll tell you about that in a little bit. Again, a great photograph. This one we're going to call Sky on Fire for obvious reasons. Chris Foster was able to capture this sunset here, and the colors are magnificent. Again, lots of reds and oranges. Again, thank you, Chris, for that photograph. If you have a photograph, by all means, send it to photos@ktvf11.com. Numbers look like this. The normal high, 13 above. Today's high, 7 below. Normal low, 12 below. Today's overnight low, 26 below. Record high, 41, 2008, 51 below in 1932. Sunrise and sunset, 9 hours and 15 minutes, a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. We have an air quality alert once again for folks in Fairbanks. It's moderate, but in North Pole, unhealthy for sensitive groups. So kids, adults, and folks with heart problems, you might want to think about staying indoors. Our satellite and radar, once again, showing not a whole lot going on across the state. Most of the energy way down to the south, over the southwest, and we're looking at warmer air coming up from the south, giving us warmer temperatures over the next week or so. And over across the rest of the state today, cloudy skies over southeast Alaska, just partly cloudy across the Gulf of Alaska. Lots of sunshine up and down the west and the southwest part of the state. A little chilly around Barrow, 23 degrees below zero. Lower 48 weather, here's what it looks like. Cloudy skies over the west coast. And then lots of sunshine around Dallas. Things are getting kind of stormy around the Minneapolis area. Why? Well, we'll show you on the satellite and radar. Big storm system here cranking up, bringing with it not only snow to Minneapolis, but along this frontal boundary, severe weather, possible tornadoes too. And it's moving rapidly, so at least it'll move through the areas pretty quickly, but we've got to keep an eye on that. As far as the jet stream, once again, later on this weekend, it'll be coming right around from the west to the east, helping to transport more moisture off the Pacific Ocean across the northern half of the country. With the cold air in place, we'll have all the chance more snow shower activity down to the south, warm and dry, and continuing drought over California. Back to Alaska for tomorrow in the northern sections, cloudy and cold in Barrow, sunshine at Nome, scattered clouds for Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at, for the most part, plenty of sunshine at Fairbanks, Delta Junction, and Healy. While over southeast Alaska, it looks like, for the most part, cloudy skies in Juneau, a few clouds expected for Ketchikan. Over the southwest part of the state, winds expected at Cold Bay, rainy in Bethel, and rain and snow for Kodiak Island. While over the south central regions, it looks like sunshine expected in Anchorage, just scattered clouds at Homer, and mostly sunny skies for Valdez. Once again, time for our weather fact for this week. And in 1989, Jackson, Mississippi was hit with severe thunderstorms with 100-mile-per-hour winds registered there. You can imagine the damage that was created by that. Again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our Kids Weather Watch. And next week, we'll be back with the kids from Denali Elementary School. Thursday night, time for our road conditions real quickly. If you're leaving in and out of the Fairbanks area, blowing and drifting snow on the Elliott Highway, icy patches all over the Richardson and Parks highways. Keep that in mind. Just drive carefully. Here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. 28 below zero, another cold night. Warmer in the higher elevations, a little bit of inversion going on. Tomorrow's forecast calling for 2 degrees above. Lots of sunshine, and the extended forecast, again, very encouraging, 10 degrees for the high on Saturday, and for the Tired Iron on the river, it'll be looking at Sunday 20 degrees, and then moving up to 24, 25, and 26 for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and just partly cloudy skies. So a good forecast coming up.